Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about the niche and the keyword. So the first thing I want to tell you is the difference between a niche and the keywords. Many people are confused with what is a niche or what is a keyword. So basically the niche is something that represents your website in one word. For example, our website name is Reviews and Deals. So the niche of our website is reviews. So we can publish reviews on anything, like on digital gadgets, on new product launch, or anything that can be reviewed. Okay, and the keyword are that we use to rank our review. Like say, I review a laptop. So the keyword is the product name. Say Samsung Chrome review. So this is the keyword. I am reviewing the Samsung Chromebook, which is a laptop, and the review is the niche of my website, and this is the keyword. So if I want to rank this keyword, my keyword will be Samsung Chrome review, and my niche is reviews and deals. Okay, so this is the main difference between a niche and keywords. So don't confuse between what is a keyword and what is a niche. So in this video we are going to find the niche that can be profitable for your website or for your online business. Okay, so if your intention is only to earn online with your website, you can go to eBay and Amazon. These are giant website of so after visiting eBay, you can go to footer of the eBay and you will find two sections, which is top products and what's popular. Let me open up both things, and here are the top products which are in trend of buying and selling. So you can get a nice niche. Like you can choose a category, say coins and paper money, or cell phone, or camera photos, or mobile phones, and there are so many things. And if you go to what are the popular products, like vintage engagement rings and skeleton keys, Dollywood, perfume bottle, so you can define a niche like a perfume bottle, and then your keyword will be best perfume bottle, or the cheapest perfume bottle, or the luxurious perfume bottle. So it's not hard to find a niche, but it is hard to find the keyword. You can decide your niche by your hobby. Like you love to write reviews on digital gadgets. Like me, I like to write reviews on laptops, camera, mobile phone, tablet. So I used to make a website that is based on reviews and deals. You can also take reference from Amazon. Like you have decided a niche, reviews, and if you go to electronics and computer, and then laptops and tablets, and in the header of this website Amazon.com, you can see that there is a bestseller. Click on this bestseller, choose the category, say laptops, and here are the top 100 laptops which are in trend of Amazon. Like people are liking, or people are buying these laptops, and there are two kind of arrow. The one is red, which is downside, and the one is green, which is upside. It means that this laptop is down in the last week, and this laptop is up from the last week. Means the sales of this laptop is up, and the sale of this laptop is down. So you can choose the keyword like Acer Inspire V3 review. You can also copy the name of the laptop, go to Google, and then you just need to paste the name, and you will get some suggestions. Like the first suggestion is the name of the laptop. The second thing is the review. So people want to check the review before they buy the laptop, or before they invest their money. So you can write the reviews like this, and you can also use some tools like Google AdWords and Ubersuggest to find the good keyword. Okay, so in this video tutorial I will show you how to find best profitable keywords on the niche of review and deals. Okay, and I have shown you that how to find the best niche. You can also use Google Trends. Okay, and here you can select your country. Like if you go to global, you will find that what are the things that are people searching. Like for the Shirley Temple, there are 10,000 plus search in Singapore. For this thing here in Austria, Norway, Netherlands, you can also use to specify a country, like what is hot in United States. So let's go to United States, and in the United States there is these are the trending now in the United States. Okay, and if you go to explore, where is the more to explore, you can add your term and check how your keyword is performing worldwide. Say laptops review. Okay, so this is the graph of the search term of laptop review, and the index ratio is it's 43 indexed in Canada, in United States it's 45, in India it's 100, in Australia it's 67, and these are the countries. If you go to cities, you can find that Bangalore is 100% indexed. I don't know if I can zoom this map. No. And okay, that's it. So you can define a niche by going to eBay popular items or eBay top products or Amazon bestseller. Okay, so by this way you can find a best niche for your website to work on, and make sure that you choose the category in which you can write unique article on your website, because writing unique article is an art, and if your article is not unique, no matter how hard you put your efforts to make your site ranking, you won't be able to rank it in top result. So make sure that you choose the right niche for you, and in the next video we will find the keyword based on our website, which is review and deals. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.